Northern California has its benefits. And this is it right here. Check out this footage, this area. So cool. Well, this is Donner Lake, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day today. Check it out. So this tunnel here goes through the summit of Donner's Pass. This place is very historical because back in the 1800s, there were a lot of people moving from the East Coast out, coming out for the gold rush. And there was a certain gentleman by the name of Donner who came out with his family, and his stagecoach broke down on the mountains here with a winter storm. It was so bad, I think it was like 15 feet of snow in one night. And they were stuck out here for a couple of months, and they ended up actually eating some of the people that had deceased. Check out the history on Donner's Pass and the story behind it. Pretty gruesome. Careful, bro. You won't fall down. Summit it, bro. You summit it. Yeah. Alright, we have arrived to Egypt. Look at all these locusts, bro. They're like flying everywhere. What in the world? But people had a taste of them. How did it taste, bro?
Like chicken.
It tastes like chicken?
It tastes like chicken.
Yo, I'm talking, but I'm making sure my mouth is closed, bro, because these little flies are gonna get in my mouth. Besides the locust, it's kind of pretty. This is the tunnel, Donner's Pass. It's about, this is in low light mode. It's pretty good, man. Wow. You know the saying, you can see the light at the end of the tunnel? And we're about to go find out if that is true. You can see the light at the end of the tunnel, baby. Here we go. Oh. We finally made it to the end of the tunnel, and we're getting close to the overlook. There's a really nice view of Donner Lake and the mountains surrounding Donner Lake. Yeah. So here we go.